Okay, I will open the 99th meeting of the National Advisory Council for Human Genome Research. This is the very last council meeting where we have 2 digits associated with the number of meetings. The odometer changes in September to 100th. As I've said before, I've promised you cake and a small celebration, and that will happen at the September meeting. Welcome to everyone who's joining us. Welcome to council members who are in the room, council members who are joining us virtually. It's great to see all you, and welcome to all the rest of you who are here both in the room and joining us by various electronic means. And we have a very interesting and busy open session, and we'll just get going. I'll turn this over to our exec sec, Rudy Pizzotti.
Thank you, Eric, and good morning, everyone. Welcome to the open session of the May meeting. I want to remind the council members that the open session is being live streamed, can be viewed by the public. Go to the NHGRI website, genome.gov. We're also creating an archive, a video and audio archive of the proceedings today. And that recording can be accessed along with other council meetings going back to about 2011, again at the NHGRI website. So we have a few new staff members to welcome and to announce. William, you want to bring up the photographs, please? Let's start with Dr. Kayla Titiali Torres. Kayla is a health policy analyst working in the Policy and Program Analysis Branch, or PPAB, as we know it at NHGRI. Kayla received her doctoral degree from the University of Kentucky in 2021. Her thesis work investigated the effects of embryonic hyperglycemia on retinal development. Kayla was a postdoctoral fellow in the Cancer and Developmental Biology Laboratory at NCI. And during that time, she had a detailed assignment with the All of Us research program as a legislative liaison and program analyst. And we now welcome her to NHGRI. Next, we have Stephanie Davis. Stephanie is new to NHGRI. She is currently a program director at NHLBI, National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute. She's on a detail to NHGRI for a few months to help us manage our portfolio of small business grants. We're grateful for Stephanie's assistance with our workload of SBIR and STTR grants during this time, while NHGRI has some staff transitions that are ongoing. Welcome, Stephanie. And lastly, we want to welcome Ashley Smith. She is the new operations coordinator for the Division of Genome Sciences. Ashley has been at NIH for the past 8 years. She began as a nurse in the intensive care unit in the clinical center, and she continues to practice nursing as a PRN nurse working in pediatric emergency rooms. Welcome, Ashley. I'd like to acknowledge our Council Society liaison members. They're attending the meeting remotely. Ellen Giarelli from the International Society of Nurses and Genetics, Mona Miller from the American Society of Human Genetics, Sharon Terry from the Genetics Alliance, and Rhonda Schonberg from the National Society of Genetic Counselors. I want to acknowledge Helen Thompson, a program analyst at NHGRI. She is taking notes of the meeting today, and she will prepare the May Council meetings. And I also want to acknowledge and thank Katie Bardsley, who has been running down slide sets and will serve as our slide projectionist if we need her services. So thank you both. Council members, I seek your approval of the February council minutes. That document was in the open session agenda. Are there any edits or changes needed to the minutes? If not, can I get a motion to approve? Second, all in favor? Anyone daring to oppose the minutes? All right, thank you very much. Future meeting dates, please note they're on the open session agenda for the rest of 2023, 24, and even into 2025. If you have a conflict with any of those dates, please contact me and, more importantly, Comfort Brown, and let us know. And I'm going to yield the floor to Eric for his director's report now.